Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting investing opportunity brought to you by Edelweiss Mutual Fund. The Edelweiss MSCI India Domestic and World Healthcare 45 Index Fund. This index fund not only invests in Indian healthcare companies but also invests in world's leading healthcare companies which are listed in US. If you see healthcare as a segment is a very interesting and a large opportunity. Globally, this is one of the third largest sector after financials and technology. Healthcare segment has multiple enablers to grow in coming decades. If you see the rising healthcare awareness among masses, greater demand for healthcare insurance, increasing government spend on healthcare programs, and launch of many innovative medicines to treat the chronic diseases due to changing lifestyle, will enable this sector to grow at a very fast pace over the next couple of years and decades. Now, let's talk about two very interesting markets within the healthcare segment world over. First, let's talk about the US market. US is one of the largest healthcare markets in the world. It spends almost 17 to 18% of its GDP only on healthcare. And it is also one of the leaders when it comes to innovation. If you look at over the last one decade, the number of patents filed for new drugs, US actually leads the pack. Companies which are domiciled or are from US are leaders when it comes to innovation. And that is the reason if you are investing in a healthcare theme, you cannot actually ignore investing in US. On the other hand, let's talk about the Indian healthcare market, which is one of the fastest growing market because of its lower penetration, but at the same time, huge focus by government and many other organizations on improving the healthcare in India. India is also leaders when it comes to pharmaceutical business. It has almost 20% market share in the US generic markets. And this segment is growing very fast. Overall, the Indian healthcare market is expected to grow at a fast pace in the next couple of years. So if you look at these two markets, India, which is growing very fast due to its low penetration and also a leader in world's pharma manufacturing, and on the other hand, you have US, which is the most innovative and also one of the largest market in the healthcare segment. So in this fund, which is the offered by Edelweiss Mutual Fund, we have tried to merge these two interesting themes. So this index fund will have almost 70% weightage to fast-growing Indian healthcare market and remaining 30% weight to the world healthcare companies, innovative companies which are listed in US. So let's see how this index fund is created and how the index methodology is. This index fund will follow the MSCI India Domestic and World Healthcare 45 Index, which will have 45 constituents, 25 constituents from India, which will be selected based on market cap size and across all segments of healthcare, right from pharma, hospital, diagnostics to biotech and other healthcare services. The remaining 30% will be invested in global healthcare companies which are listed in US. Here there will be 20 stocks, top 5 stocks based on market cap size from each of the 4 segments, which is pharma, healthcare equipment, biotechnology and life science tools and services. So here we have a combination of 25 stocks from India selected based on their market cap size and remaining 20 stocks from the global healthcare segment which is listed in US based on their market cap size selected from the 4 subsegments. Once these 45 stocks are identified, the index will weight them based on their free float market cap and each stock will be capped at 20% of its exposure. The index will be rebalanced on a quarterly basis. And this index fund will just replicate this index and have the same constituents in the same percentage in its portfolio. Now let's talk about this blended index with 70% India and 30% world exposure into the healthcare segment compared to a pure domestic healthcare segment. If you see the performance over the last 10 years on a 5-year rolling return basis, this combined index or a blended index has outperformed pure domestic healthcare index 99% of the time. Even on the 3-year rolling return basis, it has outperformed almost 81% of the time. So which means by adding 30% weightage to world's most innovative companies, this index has shown some bit of outperformance at most of the times compared to pure Indian healthcare segments. And this exposure has also come with much lower volatility. If you look at the volatility of this combined index is almost 13.13% compared to volatility of 16.36% of a pure domestic healthcare index. So you get a reasonable performance along with a much lower volatility, which adds much value to the portfolio in terms of its diversification needs. If you look at the valuations of this index, historically this segment or this theme has always traded at a premium because of its FMCG kind of business model and high ROE profiles. Currently, if you see, the premium over the broader market has been around 50%, which is in line with the long term average. Even on the PE front, the premium to the broader market is a tad bit lower compared to the long term average of around 28%, and currently, which stands at around 20%. So, in terms of valuation, the theme looks reasonably valued and not overvalued. So, if you look at the ROE profile of the index, it is bouncing back from its lows of 2017 and 18 and is expected to reach around 16% in the couple of quarters, which has also been the long term average of this index. Even on the growth estimate front, the growth estimates over the next 3 to 5 years looks promising at healthy double digit. So you have reasonable valuation, you have reasonable growth expectations, and hence it could be a good time to invest in this theme with next 3 to 5 years investment horizon. So why should one invest in this fund? If you see, healthcare sector is expected to grow steadily in coming years and decades. Given the rise in lifestyle diseases and rising income levels and healthcare penetration, the growth is expected to be steady and growing in next couple of years. This fund actually gives a very unique combination of investing in India, which is fast growing segment, at the same time also investing in US healthcare segment, which is known for its innovation and also is a large segment when it comes to world healthcare market. This theme has seen some underperformance over the last couple of years, and the recent rally is just begin. Looking at the reasonable valuations and reasonable growth estimates, it could be a good time to invest in this theme. And lastly, this is an index fund which provides a low cost exposure and a clean exposure to this theme, and also reduces the risk of underperformance versus benchmark and reduces the risk of human bias which may come through in any other actively managed fund. Thank you so much for listening. The NFO has started for this fund and closes on 28th October. The fund is available on Tata Capital's Money5 platform. Do invest and be part of this structural growth story. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.